Hi guys, I'm Melissa and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 4 ways I use essential oils to relax. This video is sponsored by Corked, the company who makes the organic essential oils that I'm using in this video. I have been a huge essential oils fan for a really long time, and one of my favorite ways to use them is by adding a couple of drops to my warm bath water. Today I'm adding a few drops of the trance oil, which is a blend of scents including lavender, valerian, lemongrass, and thyme. Next, I recommend mixing in a couple of drops of essential oil into a DIY natural face mask. If you have sensitive skin, always test a patch first before using any essential oil. I'm mixing in ylang ylang oil, which is my new favorite. I mix together half an avocado, half a cup of oats, a few drops of vitamin E oil, and then a few drops of ylang ylang oil and mix it together really well. If you find that it's still too thick, you can add in a little bit of almond milk or coconut milk. Then I'm going to rub it into my skin really well, and I find that the oatmeal makes a really great gentle exfoliant. So you can just rub that into your skin and also onto your hands if you'd like. And then I like to leave it on for 15 minutes to half an hour. During that time, to really relax, I'm going to make a cup of soothing spearmint tea and sit and read an uplifting book for a little bit until the mask hardens, and then I'm going to wash it off really well. Next, I'm going to add a couple of drops of ylang ylang essential oil with some castor oil and give myself a facial massage. Ylang ylang is known to be great for lowering blood pressure and balancing the nervous system. It's effective in maintaining moisture and oil balance of the skin and keeps it looking hydrated and smooth. A lot of the moves I do for my face massage come from the Tanaka face massage method, which you can find on YouTube. The massage stimulates the lymph glands and speeds up the discharge of toxins and excess fluid from the face. After each move, you run downward along the sides of the face toward the neck to push the lymph fluid that way. I really like this method of face massage and have been going back to it for years. Another way to use essential oils for relaxation is to put a couple of drops behind your ears before and or during meditation. I'm using the Corked Meditate oil for this, which is a blend including frankincense, eucalyptus, lavender, and other calming essential oils. And whenever I do a meditation, Beckham wants to come and sit with me and meditate too. Alright, thanks for watching guys. I will link Corked essential oils in the description box, and have a beautiful day. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Bye!